Hey, Jay Graham's here again with another really exciting car we're going to show you in a minute. Go to volocars.com. You'll see a few hundred collector cars all for sale. We have pricing, full specs, pictures top to bottom of every car is on our website, along with everything you need to buy this car. All of our contact information is there. Get a hold of us with any questions. We have shipping, we have financing. We can put this car in your driveway quickly. So let's take this for a spin. 71 Nova. It is a factory code 19 tuxedo black car, and you can see it is dressed up with the red Yenko striping. I think it's awesome. I've seen white stripes. I haven't seen the red. I think it pops, makes the car stand out. The body's incredibly clean. It's straight, it's glossy, it fits nice, it's slick, it has a mirror finish. Paint and body is incredible. Rally wheels, 15-inch with BF Goodrich tires. All the chrome and trim. You can see sparkles. It's beautiful. Glass is real nice. The interior is all redone. The jambs are real nice. Bottom of the door is clean. It's got some aftermarket tachometer and gauges in there. It's got the center armrest that folds down. Has a B&M shifter. This car is really nice underneath, and it's built. It's got a 406 stroker motor. The gentleman we bought it from tells me it's over 500 horsepower. He says it was built with the best of everything. He literally said it can do 9,000 RPMs all day long. That's how it's built. I have a pile of paperwork. I'm going to go through and read it. He says all the specs are in the paperwork. But the motor compartment's detailed. It's got aluminum heads, aluminum intake, brand new power brake system. They're disc in front. It is body off the frame restored. Go on our website, look at the pictures. But all the suspension, front to back, is all redone. It's got a performance-built turbo 400 transmission, and it has a 355 12-bolt posi rear end. This is the paperwork. I'm going to sit down at my desk and go through it. And I'll put what I find on our website under all the specs. I'm going to start it up in a minute too. You'll like how it sounds. This car is fast. Trunk compartment is super clean. Got a nice spatter finish paint in here. New mat. Bottom of the lid and the jamb is painted beautifully. New rubber. The latches are clean. It's a very nice car. Let's fire it up. It looks like it has a new dash bezel. It's real nice. There's no radio in there. That's the way I bought it. We can put a radio in there if you tell us what you like. I didn't want to spend the money to put a radio and have someone, the next guy, throw it away and put something different in there. But to me, that exhaust, that's all the music I need to hear. It's got a nice cam, nice low-key sound. Got a cowl hood, new windshield. Look at how all the moldings are shiny. Even the wiper blades look like they're polished. This anodized metal must all be new because it looks pristine. The rubber seals. Car sits nice. Yeah, it sounds really good. I haven't driven it yet. I think I'll take it for a ride when we're done here. Sounds like a race car motor. So there you have it. Show quality restored, top to bottom, very fast. Comes with paperwork. Very sharp looking car. If you want to have fun this summer with something really cool like this thing right here, let us know. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We post a few cars every day. There's a tab in the top right of your screen. You can click on it. It'll bring you right to our website where you can check out this car and all the others. Thanks for watching.